Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good. And I know I missed a day of reading. I had some work going on, so I just completely missed it. So I shall try not to forget again. So Ganesha is coming this week. So what better cards than the amazing Ganesha blessing cards? And I wish you all have a blessed Ganpati week ahead, and you all are blessed with all the happiness and all the beautiful abundance and peace and harmony in this world. So, as I always say, do like the channel, comment on the video how you feel the readings are, and click the bell icon so that you will know as and when I bring in videos. And I'm very happy with the Name It to Win It video which I had posted. Loads and loads of names have come. I am giving it one more day so that we will see if someone else is also naming the oil, and then I shall, declare who's the person who will get the beautiful oil and the most powerful oil from me as a gift. So let's go to the readings. Okay, as usual, he himself brings out two cards, cultivation and courage, but I would like to bring in one more card because I feel this card is trying to fall. So the relaxation. Now that's a beautiful combination which has come. It talks about courage, it talks about cultivation, and it talks about relaxation. Actually, recently in my WhatsApp group where I post readings, this card had come and I had said that you need to uh, listen to some music and just take a day off. So maybe what I am seeing from seeing these cards, that from morning there'll be a lot of things going on, and you will have to, when we say courage, it does not have to be that things are not good and you need to face it with that way, because it's again the Vignaharta. So I'm sure he is going to give you the energy and the capacity to handle it. So whatever is coming your way today, you will handle it courageously, you will face it. If you see the lion here, I see it facing it courageously. And even if you see the Vignaharta, he is sitting with control. So you will be in control of whatever is happening today, and you will be able to handle it properly, be it home or be it work. And then you will, take out some time, and you will just take out some time, and you can listen to some music, or you can do something which you like doing. And end of the day, there will be complete relaxation, because when you handle things with courage, and when you handle things the way you feel it is right to do, then somewhere you are on the right track. So that's the reason the end card has come as the relaxation card. Today, I would suggest, if there's any Ganpati Mandir near you, if there's any Ganeshan temple near you, just offer some laddus over there. Give it to the temple as an offering, and then also in the morning chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. And today I feel you should wear the color red. I don't know why I felt red, but I just felt that the color should be red. And also in the evening when you come back, burn a ghee lamp in front of Ganpati, if you have, or whatever god, goddesses, or whatever is there in your altar. Just burn a ghee lamp, and when you burn the ghee lamp, just sit there for 5 minutes. There is a Ganesh mudra. If you Google, you'll come to know. Do the Ganesh mudra, so that the upcoming week is prosperous, is abundantly blessing for you, and you are happy throughout the week. And this Ganesh mudra, if possible, do it in the night after 8 o'clock. But burn the ghee lamp and do it for 10 minutes. And do let me know, when you do this mudra, what changes you felt, or how you felt your body is giving the energies with. Have a blessed day ahead. Thank you.